As planting wraps up after spring was slow to arrive in many parts of North America, farmers will closely be monitoring their early season fertilizer applications to ensure crops get off to a strong start. Use of nitrogen stabilizers are a staple on some farms to prolong the effectiveness of spring-applied nutrients. But a new company is beta testing a unique alternative to chemically applied nitrogen inhibitors. Lafayette, Indiana-based investment company Little Engine Ventures recently acquired technology company Stable N, developers of an aftermarket system that creates high-voltage electrical pulses to sterilize a 3-inch section of soil in the seedbed made during a spring fertilizer application or tillage pass. Renamed Boden Technology after the German word for soil, new company CEO Bill Goss says the science behind the technology creates a 5-week window before applied nitrogen in the seedbed will convert to nitrates.
It's about 100,000 volts. It's kind of like a spark plug in your car. There's a burst of energy, very high burst of energy in a field situation because you're going across the field. You can go at about 6 miles an hour and you're charging, so it takes a lot of energy to do that. And you're basically impacting a field in the soil 3 inches wide, and it's usually about 5 to 7 inches deep because of the shape of the way the electricity flows through the soil.
Goss adds that field testing will continue this spring, after which time the company will set a price for the system, and plans are for a limited release this fall.